Problem 3. Longest substring without repeating characters. I solved this problem a long time ago, but this is actually not the perfect solution for the problem. Yeah, because even this is the sliding window I solved before. As you can see, while I am preparing a dictionary, inside the dictionary, I put the characters as the case and values as the index. Yeah, but while I'm using the sliding window, I used a if tag. If there is a duplicate, I'm gonna use this L pointer. This means from the left side, I'm gonna check the max L pointer with this D character plus 1. Yeah, so this is actually it's difficult. After a long time, you might forget about this kind of max L with DC plus 1. You know it should be DC plus 1, but there's L pointer. So this means the sliding window for the L pointer, it must go forward. It can never go back. So this means why I am preparing a trick like this. Actually, this is not the best solution for the problem. Yeah, we should use the best pattern or best template for the sliding window. Yeah, so today I'm going to update this video and preparing a new pattern for solving the typical sliding window problem. Yeah. For my problem, as you can see, I prepared the dictionary. So the K is the character and the value is the index. Actually, I don't need to prepare like this. I can also prepare the K as the character and the value is the count. So I can use the count. If the count is more than 1, I'm sure there is a duplicate. Yeah. So let me try to use this solution. So I'm going to prepare a dictionary, L pointer, and a result. So the dictionary should be default and dict and integer, and the L pointer start from 0 and result is 0. Now I'm going to loop through the R pointer. So for R, say in enumerate S. What I need to do, I just need to put the characters, yeah, inside my dictionary, but I need to use a count. So the DC should count by 1. Yeah, if I use a count for the next one, I just need to use a while tag. So if this count is more than, if this count is more than 1, I'm sure there's a duplicate for this character C. So what I should do, I just need to use the sliding window. So the L pointer should be slided to the slide 1 position. But before that, I need to check the dictionary. So for the dictionary D, it should be SL. Yeah. Before I update the L pointer, I need to take the value out. So I just need to plus a 1. So the count should be minus 1. Now, if everything is okay, I can check the result. It should be the max with result with R minus L plus 1. And finally, I can return the result. Now let me just run it to check if it is okay. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to check if it works. Yeah, as you can see, it works. So this is why for this problem, we should always use the best solution, best pattern for solving the problem. If for my dictionary, I use the character as the index, so it's gonna be difficult. I have to check a max if this L pointer. Yeah, but basically for checking the max, it should be really difficult, and sometimes you might forget. But for this solution, there's no such check. Everything is perfectly because we use a count as the dictionary, not the index as the value. We use the count. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next.